Wunda Rapid Response boards are approved by trusted adhesive and primer manufacturers, MAPI and Instamac, for self-leveling compound application, provided their specific requirements and processes are followed. Prior to commencing the process of laying a self-leveling compound, all Wunda Rapid Response boards must be firmly fixed in position, and a pressure test must be conducted to ensure the integrity of the pipes before being covered. Ensure that all pipes are securely seated within their channels. Break through any foil that is bridging unused channels and press the foil edges firmly into the channel walls. Thoroughly vacuum the entire surface to remove any dust or debris. The compound manufacturer you select will likely include the requirement to apply an approved primer to the boards, pipes, and empty channels. It is imperative that all exposed surfaces are primed thoroughly and allowed to dry before proceeding. We recommend using a roller to cover large areas evenly and swiftly, and a brush for empty channels. Before pouring any compound, ensure that the underfloor heating system is switched off and remains off throughout the entire process. Apply the leveling compound according to the manufacturer's guidelines to the minimum depth required. To find out more, see the Wunda Rapid Response Floor Coverings information document. Allow to dry for the recommended duration before installing the final floor finish. Upon the completion, the floor should remain at ambient temperature for a minimum of 7 days with the underfloor heating switched off. After this period, commencing with the mixing valve set to its lowest setting, increment the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius per day until the desired operating temperature is achieved. For further help and advice, use the QR codes provided on your plan or head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.